inside the boiler.
Oh, well, then you'll get wet. I see the acorns or any...
That's that. I think they... That's why I didn't get wet.
Well,
That's why I didn't
just
get
really
wet.
wanted to get wet.
No.
No.
So just trying to reach in around the stays and wash off the top of the crown sheet. What's that look like?
Oh my God, you're yucky. How's the water? Clear or it's still muddy?
Oh, getting muddy again.
Is it? Yeah.
It was clear.
Yeah. Okay, good. Let's try it up there and see what we get. And if that's clear, then finish it away. John's birthday.
Yeah.
No, this differential. Huh? The big box.
Yeah.
For whatever space. Was it the shuttle?
We've got one last plug inside the steam chest, and our wonderful steam engineer Chuck designed a special wrench. I think it's called an LLHSC IPRT, Lombard Log Roller Steam Chest Inspection Plug Removal Tool. So we're going to try it, although we're putting it back in. Thanks. For the famous tool,